Hey guys, welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I prepare curry goat. And as you can see guys, I'm here about to wash the curry goat. Yes, I'm using vinegar. That is, or if you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon or lime juice, right? So here I'm pouring on the vinegar onto the goat meat. And now I'm gonna add some cold tap water to that and give it a nice wash. After the goat meat is been washed, drain water off, and after which the seasoning process will start. So here I have the Ramitop goat flavor seasoning and my all-purpose Maggi seasoning, curry powder, my onion, garlic, thyme, green onions, carrots, ginger, and as well as the curry powder as well as salt. So I went ahead and I wash my seasonings, have them sliced up and all of that, and I'm gonna start seasoning the meat at this point. Guys, to boost your curry goat flavor, you better get the Ramitop seasoning. All right, trust me, you're gonna love it. Guys, normally I'll be using the Better Pot curry. That's like the best curry ever. That I'll be using, but unfortunately it was not in the store and I had run out. I had seasoned this since last night, so it's well marinated, and now I'm ready to get it cooked. So since I had seasoned the goat with the carrots, and carrots easily cooked, I'm gonna remove the carrot. That's the first thing. Since goat meat take a little while to cook, it's not wise to cook the carrots in the meat at this point. So guys, I know that many might be saying that the other seasoning, like the onion, the green onions, and those things are easily cooked as well, but that's not a big deal for me because at the simmering state I'm gonna be adding more onions because I love my goat very flavorful, and I'll be adding like garlic, your scotch bonnet pepper. I haven't added any yet, but you can go ahead and add your pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, the reason why I had went ahead and seasoned the goat with the carrots, I want it to be marinated, so everything can taste really delicious. So guys, now let's get down to business. And as you can see, the pot is here on the stove. The stove is on, and what I have here, right, is some chopped up garlic and chopped up ginger, okay? And as well, I have 1 tablespoon of curry. This curry is a curry that I really love. It's called the Better Pot curry. It's the best curry ever. The reason why you see me using the other curry is because I cannot find the Better Pot nowhere, but the one that I used is close to the Better Pot. So I add a little Better Pot curry saved back. So I decided to burn this because I want a nice pretty curry goat look, right? So at this point I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger to the oil, and I'm gonna add the curry as well. So what I'm doing here is just basically burning the curry. A lot of people cannot, you know, have curry without it being burned, because it can, you know, hurt their stomach and stuff like that. So now guys, I'm going to add the meat. So guys, if you choose to, you can pressure your goat meat. I'm doing it, you know, the old-fashioned way, right? I want my curry, I want my goat to slowly cook. It's going to take much more time, but you know, I like it this way. You find a piece more carrot. Good that I'm stirring. So guys, I'm just gonna cover and let it simmer for a minute. Okay? So guys, it's a minute. I am back to check on the goat to see what's going on here. I'm telling you, I love the color. It is so pretty. You all can see for yourself. Guys, oh my god, the aroma. So I'm just flipping onto the other side, guys. And I'm gonna leave it for another minute. Okay? So let it go and simmer. So you know you're in the kitchen, guys, with Sophie. As you're tuning into Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. Yes, love is the real thing. Anything you do with love comes out great. Now the word tells us that love conquers all, and that's a fact. So I'm just gonna leave to simmer for a minute, covered. All right. So guys, this is my second time now coming to check on the goat, and may I tell you, say, oh my god, smell turn up. I'm telling you, you can see for yourself that it's beginning to make its own fluid, right? See that rich? Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see. Guys, look at that nice pretty curry fluid. Beautiful, you know. So as you can see, you know, it's making the fluid, and that's nice. You know, it's not sticking to the pot. You don't want your curry, you don't want your goat to be sticking to the pot. So, you know, as you can see, I checked on it. At this point, if y'all know me and I've been watching my videos, you notice when I do meats, I do not put cold water in my meat. This is something I learned, and also, you know, I have experienced myself that when you put cold water in your meat, you know, just like that, it changed the flavor. I did try it for myself, and it's true. So you will always see me with hot boiling water. I just went ahead and I had boiled some water, and now I'm just gonna pour into my curry or my goat. So guys, now I'm gonna leave to let the meat cook. It's gonna take a while. Honestly, it's going to take a while. So I'm just gonna be, you know, coming back as soon as, you know, the water goes down. So see you guys in a bit, okay? So guys, I am back, and at this point I am here to check to see if the curry goat is fully cooked. So you'll see me going back and forth with the spoon, stirring. I'm checking if there's any stickage. And so I'm gonna check to see the curry goat is cooked by breaking just a small piece with the spoon. Okay, so bear with me, guys, and I hope that you're enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you can know whenever my next video is up. Guys, I wish you all could smell the aroma that is coming from this kitchen. Oh my God. I can smell Jamaica in this kitchen. So guys, off camera, I had went ahead and I had prepared my natural seasoning. Now I have with me some carrots. See my Scotch bonnet pepper right there? Yes, right there. I'm gonna just get a little piece of that because it's very hot. I have onions here, green onions, and also potatoes. And I'm just gonna empty this in my curry goat. Guys, it tastes so good. It tastes so good. Yes, guys, boiling down to the nitty-gritty. I'm just gonna leave this here for 3 minutes and then just meet me at presentation. Love you guys.